Mom and Dad are going to the pool. Do you want to go with them? No, I don't. Sam and Amy are going to the park. Do you want to go with them? No, I don't. Grandma and Grandpa are going to McDonald's. Do you want to go with them? Yes. I do. I am hungry, but I don't have any food to eat. I want to go to the party, but I don't have any beautiful clothes to wear. I want to dance, but I don't have any shoes to wear. Hey! Make a wish. I can make your wish come true. Thank you, my dear fairy. When I was little, I wished I could fly like a butterfly. Now, I can fly as high as I wish. When I was little, I wished I could hop like a frog. Now, I can hop as high as I wish. When I was little, I wished I could run like my dad. Now, I can run as fast as I wish. 3 little hamburgers were sitting on the oven.